YouTube, and today we're at an Ultramar gas station located on Highway 48 in Stouffville, and they have a car wash. We got their best wash. It was for sale today. It was $5.99. That's really cheap. Cheapest washes I ever been to, and it came to $6.77 in total. And in fact, if they call it their premium touchless wash, it is actually a choice wash because the attendant asked me if they wanted to feel a touchless wash or a soft touch wash. So I'm thinking this is a Mark 7 Choice Wash XT. So anyways, there's a huge lineup since must be their best wash today. So anyways, I'm going to start it up again as soon as we get to the pay station. So be right back. So but guys, it's going through the dryers right now. This guy is about to enter his code. Right over there you can see some Ballinger signage too. So I'm thinking this is a Ballinger system, but I'm not sure. We'll find out in a second. So right now this guy's going through the wash right now. And it looks like we have an Istobal MNEX 32. So that's a first. This guy's getting the undercarriage wash. You can see it. Now, see, you can see the Ballinger signage here. I guess the guy missed a sweet spot. Now he's back. Now he's going ahead. And it looks like he's getting the touch-free bar. Here's the code machine. Not sure if we can enter it yet. Nope, we can't. We will have to wait till the guy's out of the bay. So anyways, I'm going to start it up again as soon as the guy's out of the bay. The guy's going to have the dryers right now. The signs say to wait. But I noticed this. You can see a McNeil top wash on the sign saying, "Welcome to Ultramar Stouffville Car Wash." So I'm thinking they took a picture of a McNeil system at another location. Now we can enter the code. Now we can go ahead into the wash. We're getting the undercarriage. So this is an Istobal MNEX 32. So stop, back up. Stop and let the wash begin. We're getting the pre-soak right now with this touch-free arm here. A really nice coverage of a pre-soak. Looks like it's stopping. Wow, a really nice coverage of a pre-soak. And it looks like it's doing the back as well. Not sure what we are doing right now. Oh, it's doing for going back up to the top. Coming back. Doing an oh, that must be another coating of pre-soak. Also another nice coverage of a pre-soak too. So we would do. Okay. And it looks like we are getting the tri-foam. Nice coverage of a tri-foam. Okay, stop. Guess it's doing for tires right now. You can't see them due to the tri-foam. So that's the tires clean now. Now we are getting the high power rinse. Doing the front right now. Now we're getting the high power rinse. Oh, stopping again. Well, a nice high power rinse pass. Now it's doing the back right now. Doing another pass of the back. Guess it's doing another pass of a high power rinse. Now we are done with a high power rinse. And it looks like that is MNEX. Nice coverage of a MNEX. Now we are doing the final rinse over spot 3 rinse. Now we can go ahead with the dryers. We have premier dryers here, so that means we do a great job. We have 60 seconds of dryer time. Looks like this signage is also Ballinger. Same with a dryer timer too. Well, looks like the dryers are doing a decent job. 30 seconds to go. And it looks like it's dripping something off the car for some reason. There's a little bit of soap on the car. Seconds to go. 2, 1. And we are done. Well, looks like this wash has done a great job, I think. I'm going to take a look at the car to see how well the job it did. So, be right back. So right now, it got off for most of the box of the front too. Tires didn't do well. Dripping a little bit of soap on the car. Looks like on the sides too. Tires did well on the sides. On the back, you can see a little bit of soap on the car, not too much. Tires didn't do well on the back too. Back bumper, stuff like that. Other side. So, this wash had done an amazing job. It got most of the box off the front and stuff like that. So I highly recommend this place. And it is also not bad for $5 since they're having a sale on. So some other time, we were going to come back here again and get the soft touch wash to see how well it will also do. So anyways, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And that is it.